Sometimes a diagram is a great way to see how you can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve a problem. So here I have a 12-foot ladder placed on the ground 2 feet away from a house and leaned up against a house, and how I'm trying to see how far up the house does the ladder reach. So I'm not really sure if 12 and 2 are the hypotenuse or legs, so I'm going to draw a diagram and then decide. So I'll say that line is my house, this is the ground, and this will be my ladder that'll be leaned up against the house. Okay, so the house and the ground will form a right angle. I know my ladder is 12 feet long, and I know it's 2 feet away from the house. And this is the side I'm looking for. I'll just label it with an X. So as you can see here, this is my 90-degree angle. 12 is across from that and is the longest side in this triangle. So that is my hypotenuse. Okay, so that's my C in A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I'm going to set this up now. I'll say X squared plus 2 squared, so leg squared plus leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared, or 12 squared. So x squared plus 4 will equal 144. My next step would be to try to isolate x squared, so I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So x squared equals 144, subtract 4. So x squared will equal 140. So 140 again represents the area of the square that I would form here. Okay, so that square there. So to find the side length, I will take the square root of 140. So the square root of 140 comes out to be about, well, I could estimate it. It's between 121 and 144, much closer to 144. So I would expect my my square root to be, 11.8-ish, 11.9. I'd say about 11.8 would be my estimate on the calculator. It gives me 11.83. So I can see here that x will be about 11.8 feet. Okay, so that's how you can use a diagram to help you decide whether you're looking for the hypotenuse or for a leg. Thanks for listening.